The wait is finally over. We finally got a good look at the upcoming DJI Avata 3. This is not one of those shaky videos or blurry leaks. This is clear footage shared by a trusted source named Igor Bogdanov. He has a strong track record when it comes to leaking DJI products, so this leak feels pretty solid. If we look at DJI's past drone release timeline, it looks like the Avata 3 could drop sometime between late 2025 and early 2026. The Avata 2 launched back in April 2024, so this would line up well with their usual pattern of yearly updates. The footage shows a drone that looks a lot like the Avata 2, but with some differences that show it's still a prototype. There are wires sticking out and some test markings on the body. That means DJI is still testing and maybe fine-tuning the final design. So we can expect some tweaks before launch based on what we've seen so far and all the rumors floating around. The Avata 3 could be one of the biggest upgrades in DJI's FPV lineup. It might bring major changes in camera quality, battery life, stabilization, and even how it handles in the air. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, what's rumored, what's likely, and what could make this drone the best option yet for FPV lovers and content creators. Starting with the camera, the DJI Avata 3 is expected to come with a 1-inch sensor. This is a big step up from the Avata 2, which had a smaller sensor size with a 1-inch sensor. You get more light hitting the camera. That means better low-light performance, richer colors, and sharper details. A larger sensor also means less noise in darker areas of the video. So if you're flying in the early morning or around sunset, you should get cleaner footage with fewer grainy spots. Some leaks suggest that DJI might unlock new video features with the Avata 3, like raw video recording or new picture profiles. This would be huge for creators who want to color grade their footage or match shots with other cameras. The field of view might also get wider. This helps capture more of the scene, which is great for flying through tight spaces or scenic areas. Now let's talk about battery life. The Avata 2 gave us about 23 minutes of flight time, which is pretty good for an FPV drone, but the Avata 3 might push this closer to 30 minutes. DJI might achieve this with more efficient motors, a redesigned battery pack, or smarter power management. Even 5 extra minutes can make a big difference when you're out flying and capturing shots. Stabilization is also expected to improve. While the current rock-steady system works well, the Avata 3 might introduce enhanced digital stabilization or even a tiny mechanical gimbal. If DJI manages to add a small gimbal without making the drone too heavy or big, it could lead to super smooth footage, even during fast turns or quick dives. Next up is safety. This is something DJI takes seriously, especially with drones aimed at beginners and casual users. The Avata 3 is rumored to come with full obstacle detection in all directions. This would help pilots avoid crashes whether flying low to the ground, through forest paths or near buildings. Sensors on the front, backsides, top and bottom could guide the drone around obstacles or stop it from flying into things. Another cool feature could be the new O4 video transmission system. This would offer a stronger and more stable connection between the drone and the goggles. So what does that mean for the user? It means clearer video in real time, less delay, and better range. You can fly farther with more confidence and still see everything as it happens when it comes to performance. The Avata 3 might be faster and more agile than before. New motors and tweaks to the body design could make it handle sharper turns and quicker bursts of speed. Even with this extra power, DJI still wants the drone to be beginner-friendly. The motion controller and new goggles might get a comfort upgrade. With better weight balance and improved fit for long flights, the drone's body also looks tougher, with a frame that could handle more hits without breaking. For FPV fans who like to fly close to the ground or indoors, this kind of durability really matters. Some rumors also talk about a new cooling system that could help the drone stay cooler during long flights or in warm weather, which means better performance and fewer shutdowns due to heat. The software might also get updates, like smart return to home, custom flight paths, and improved GPS lock for better location tracking. And finally, we might see better audio recording options built into the goggles or through accessories. This could help with syncing flight sounds or adding real-time voice notes. So if all these rumors turn out to be true, the DJI Avata 3 is shaping up to be a big leap forward from the Avata 2. It brings better camera quality, longer battery life, more safety features, and improved flight performance. And the best part is, it still looks like it will be compact and easy to carry. That's a big deal for creators who travel a lot or just want to fly without a bulky setup with a 1-inch sensor, full obstacle avoidance, and a better transmission system. This drone could be the perfect mix of pro features and user-friendly design. Whether you're an experienced pilot or just starting out, the Avata 3 seems like it's going to offer something for everyone. It's powerful, versatile, and still easy to control as always. These are early leaks and things might change before the final release. But if DJI delivers on even half of this, the Avata 3 could become one of the best FPV drones around. Make sure to stay tuned. We'll keep watching for updates and news as we get closer to the official launch date. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching Factic. See you in the next video.